Welcome to 7945 Silver Maple Drive in Milton, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and it's just over 1,900 square feet. It resides on almost half an acre lot, so we have a huge backyard here with endless possibilities. We have full brick exterior as well as gutters. They have also freshened up the front beds here with some new mulch and some new landscaping. So we have here a fully renovated kitchen, which I'm super pumped to show you. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So coming into the foyer here, we have a coat closet on the right-hand side with a little niche here for a nice piece of artwork or statue. Living areas to the left, but first I want to take you into this gorgeous kitchen here. We have leathered fantasy brown Dolomite countertops in here with a white subway tile backsplash, soft close cabinetry with soft closed doors and drawers, and new fixtures throughout this entire home and kitchen. We have vaulted ceilings in here, giving for a nice spacious view, as well as new stainless steel appliances. Nice bar top with seating. You could probably get around 4 bar stools over here. It's just absolutely gorgeous in here. As you can tell, the floors are new as well. We do have a pantry, as you can see, on our left-hand side here. And just through here, we have our laundry room, which is oversized. Plenty of room for additional storage here. And we do have the garage here. Freshly painted in here with painted floors. Very nice and clean in here. Pull down attic stairs for some additional storage. All right. So laundry and garage right here off the kitchen. Which flows nicely into our dining area and into the living space. Again, vaulted ceilings in here with recessed lighting, giving for a very nice spacious feel. Hardwood floors in the main living area and brand new carpet in all the bedrooms. Into the master suite here. Very spacious, room for a king size bed. We do have tray ceilings in here as well. Into the master bathroom, we have a double vanity with updated light fixtures, mirrors, and hardware with the fantasy brown Dolomite in here as well. Nice sized garden tub with a separate walk-in shower, as well as a linen closet for some additional storage, and a walk-in closet, as well as a water closet for additional privacy. Views of the backyard here from the master bedroom. Again, just a ginormous backyard here with some shaded areas from the pine trees. I will show you that in just one second. Just off the main living area, we have a bedroom that would work as an office space as well. It does have a closet, so it is very suitable for a bedroom, but you could use it as an office if you needed that additional space. And over into the 2 additional bedrooms and bathroom. Our first bedroom on this side is located on the back side of the house. Double closet space in this bedroom. And right into the hall bath here, we have a brand new vanity, new toilet, new mirror, and new light fixtures, and a shower tub combo. Into the this is the 4th bedroom, the 3rd bedroom on this side of the house. We do have some vinyl flooring in here. And again, all the bedrooms have brand new ceiling fans, as well as the living room. Very nice finish selection here as far as the paint colors go, and everything in the kitchen. I just love this kitchen. It's absolutely gorgeous. So out into the backyard, we have a bird nest up there that I just saw. We have a 16 by 10 covered patio with a ceiling fan. And again, this is just a huge lot. You could have a volleyball court out here. You could do a pool. I mean, the possibilities are endless. You have so much land back here. And the backyard is fully fenced. It is open on the right-hand side of the house. So that would just be a quick, easy fix to go ahead and get that fenced in if you had dogs or littles that you wanted to have a completely fenced backyard. And again, we do have some shade provided by some of these oak trees and pines back here. All right, I wanted to give you one last look at the kitchen inside. Just a very well thought out floor plan in here, very spacious. So if you'd like to set up a private showing, please let us know. Again, this is 7945 Silver Maple Drive in Milton, Florida.